It's your girl Laura B, your Central Florida realtor here, back with another new construction property tour. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It has 2 levels and it features over 2,500 square feet. So if you're looking for a large home, this might be it. There are still lots in this community where you are able to choose your floor plan and go to a design studio to select your finishes for this home to your liking. Now, if you are looking for an inventory home and are able to move in right away or within 3 months, there are homes in this community with wonderful floor plans that are just that, move-in ready or close to being completed, and you can lock in a rate as low as 4.75%. And at the time of this video, average interest rates are going from 6 to even 7.5%. So this opportunity is wonderful because you're able to save hundreds of dollars a month. Stay tuned for the rest of this video to see this wonderful property, get to know the price, get to know what is included in the HOA fee. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, make sure to do so to continue to see property tours here in the Central Florida area. And if you want more updates on a weekly basis, follow my Instagram where I do post content there a lot more often. All right, now let's get started. So this is the model home on the outside with paved driveway. Beautiful tall ceilings here. To the left side, right in the front of the home, you have a den that is, as you guys can see, decorated as an office space. This could also be a small formal living area, a game room, a kids play area. Down this hall, you have the garage door. Have a drop-off station as well. This is the half a bathroom downstairs. The laundry is going to be downstairs. Now, I do not know where those pants came from. If it was there on purpose or how it got there, but it's always convenient to have a sink in the laundry. Let's check out the rest of the downstairs and then we'll head upstairs to see the rest of the bedrooms. This is definitely a nice feature to add to your stairwell, so that way you can see between them. Now you have your open concept kitchen, dining, and living room. From that entrance, you do have views of the backyard. Beautiful, large 3 sliding doors. Great amount of storage for your pantry. Now let's head upstairs. See the rest of the home, rest of the bedrooms. You have your AC unit. However, this is definitely a wonderful space for some additional storage. Now, this is what a lot of my clients ask for. This extra loft space in the second floor. It's very convenient to have 2 different living rooms, especially when you have kids or just a very large family. Alrighty. This bedroom is definitely very ideal for a guest or an older son or daughter, since it does have its own bathroom here, right outside of it. Now, can anyone guess what this is right here? This is a very nice, convenient drop-off for all of your dirty clothes, especially for anyone that's staying in this bedroom right here. We'll go straight into the laundry room. Alright, so we checked out the loft. We have one additional bedroom here. And then we'll have one last bedroom. Of course, this is the model home. The location of your home will depend on whether you select an inventory or you select one of the remaining lots that are to be built, meaning you can select your floor plan and have the chance to go to a design studio and select all of the upgrades and finishes that you would like for this home.
Thank you guys for watching this tour with me. Now let's talk about the pricing for this home. If you start with an empty lot and build this floor plan from ground up, your price point is starting around $472,000 without any selections or any upgrades to the home, just a blank slate. Now there is an inventory home with this floor plan that's currently going for $508,000 with already design options included. Like I mentioned earlier, all of the homes that can be closed within 3 months have special interest rate promotion provided by the builder. Not only are you getting $10,000 toward your closing costs, but you can also lock in an interest rate as low as 4.75%. Now let's break this down. In the screen, I am going to show you the difference if you are a conventional loan buyer and you're putting 5% down, how much it would be at 4.75% and how much it would be around 6.5%. You'll see it's a huge difference, and that savings of a couple of $100s a month can make a huge difference for making a home affordable. to being house poor and living basically paycheck to paycheck, so that way you can cover your mortgage. Now, I will share some additional inventory homes that are currently taking the interest rate promotion as well, just so that way you know, in case this property doesn't work out for you, you have some additional options to consider. So you do have the smallest floor plan with this promotion, that's around 1,900 square feet. It's going for $438,000, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-story house. You also have a different floor plan, 2,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-level home. There's one that's going for $479,000, and there's another one that's going for $488,000. So the difference in price within those floor plans are just gonna be the design finishes and where that lot is located. If you think a property here in Mount Dora or in this community might interest you, feel free to reach out to get you started. If you aren't pre-approved yet, we can definitely help you get started as well with the pre-approval and financing aspect of purchasing a home. Of course, there are a ton of new construction properties, communities, and resale homes in the Central Florida area. If you need assistance narrowing down those options to your budget and the areas that you want to be in, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you get started and navigate the process of buying an existing home or buying a new construction property. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to continue to see more property tours here in the Central Florida area, and I'll catch you in the next one.